Hi Madan, hi Ahmad. Okay, today we are discussing how to create a value.
And
Yeah. Today topic is how to create a value sets, how to create a descriptive flexible, where we can use this value sets and descriptive flexibles. Okay, what is value set? Value set is nothing but a list of values. Okay, in Fusion we have five types of value sets. One is format only, second one is dependent, third one is independent, fourth one is table value set, fifth one is subset. Let's say for example, if you are defining a format only, what is used of that one? User enter any value, okay, by using format only. For example, if you are using independent value set, okay, if you are defining four countries that are the independent values, let's say for example, if you are selecting independent value as a India, it's automatically LY will be populated for in India how many states is coming. That is the dependent value set. You can go for table value set. You can pick the data from table value set. First, how will you create a value sets? Next, how will you call the this value sets into your descriptive flex fields? Next, where you can call this descriptive flex fields in which page? My client is asking in person page. I want this descriptive flex fields of new page. How will you create? First, you need to create a value set. How will you create? Click on navigator, go for setup and maintenance. Search for manage value. Here you can able to see here manage value set. Click on manage value sets. Here I am creating a new value set. Value set code I am defining as fusion format. This value set used for entry purpose like that. What is the model? I am selecting as a global human resource. Search global. I am selecting as a global human resource. Okay. What is the validation? This is the important. I am selecting as a format only. Format only is nothing but user can enter any value. I am selecting as a character. For suppose the user can be enter date, at the time you can select date. User can be enter number, at the time you can select number. I am selecting as a character. My user can be enter only character. This is a text. Text is nothing but user can be enter anything. What is the minimum length? What is the maximum length allow of this character? I am giving as a 100 characters. If you want uppercase, you can select uppercase only. These are the optionals. User can be entered should be minimum value, at the time you can give 5. Let's say for example user can be enter only 2 characters. This will be giving a error. Why? Because of you are entering a minimum value as 5. I am not giving anything. If you want required, you can give. I am giving 5. Maximum 100. Okay. Click on save. First, we need to define our all value sets. After that, we can how will you call this value set in descriptive flexibles. sorry, diagram they are asking. And save. Okay. Next, save and close. Okay, our value set will be created. We need to check our value set will be created or not. Fusion percent. F is capital. This is our value set. I am creating a independent value set. Why? Because of, let's say for example, if you are selecting a countries, how will you coming? Okay, I am selecting, writing as Fusion independent value set. This value set used for calling countries. Model I am selecting as a global human resource. Validation type as independent. Validation type I am selecting as a character. Why? Because of I am entering the countries. Maximum length I am giving 100. Once save, first we need to save, after that we need to pass that values. Once you can save, your value set will be saved. Here you can able to see manage values. Why? Because of this is the independent. Click on manage values. Here I am adding values. Value as IN I am giving as India. Save and close. If you want order also, you can give order, sort order. First, second, third. I am adding another value. US, United States. Save. Next, you can add another country. Let's say, for example, I am defining 3 countries. United Kingdom. Save and close.
హలో సార్
Yeah,
సార్ మనం డైరెక్ట్ ఎస్క్యూఎల్ స్టేట్మెంట్ రాయడానికి లేదా ఇక్కడ
that is the table value set. Okay,
ఓకే
I will tell you the table value set. First, we need to define this. Next one is, right now you are preparing none. Third one is independent. Second one. Third one I am defining as fusion dependent value set. This value is set usually for based on country we need to populate states. I am selecting as a global human resource, validation type as dependent character. Here asking, you can give length. Here asking your dependent value set code. What is your dependent value set code? We need to call your dependent value set code. Fusion percentage enter. This is the your dependent value set code. Okay. Save. First we need to save. Next click on manage values. Let's say for example I am selecting India. Okay. What values will be coming? Save and close. 1 minute. Cancel. I am selecting as India. Search. Nothing is there. Here I am adding values for India. Hyderabad. Hyderabad. Save and close. Bangalore. I am creating a two dependent values. Create. New York. This value belongs to US country. Save and close. Dallas. Not any description. Save and close. UK. British. Something like. Only I am defining only one value for UK. Okay. Right now you are creating a format only independent value set, dependent value set. Okay. Next, how will you create a table value set? Create fusion underscore table value set. This value set used for calling person members. Model as global human resource. Validation type as table value set. Character. Here we need to select from class which table you want to pick the data. I am giving as for all people F table. Okay, which column you want? I want to person number. Okay, come down. In where class, if you want to restrict any data, you can restrict. I am picking the data only 10 records, where row num less than or equal to 10 records. Is nothing but this table value set, you can pick the person number only 10 records. This is the SQL statement. In EBS also they are calling same like. Okay, this is a table value set. Save and close. Okay, మనం ఇప్పుడు 4 టేబుల్ వాల్యూ సెట్స్ డిఫైన్ చేసాం. మెసేజ్ నెంబర్ వేర్ క్లాస్ నాట్ వ్యాలిడ్. ఓకే, మనం ఏంటంటే ఇప్పుడు 4 వాల్యూ సెట్స్ డిఫైన్ చేసాం. ఈ 4 వాల్యూ సెట్స్ని మనం ఒక డిస్క్రిప్టివ్ ఫ్లెక్స్ ఫీల్డ్స్లో యాడ్ చేసి నాకు ఇక్కడ డిస్ప్లే కావాలండి 4 వాల్యూస్. ద క్లయింట్ ఈజ్ ఎక్స్పెక్టింగ్ in which page? Let's say for example in person page or else assignment page, where you want కొత్తగా 4 fields తను కావాలి అంటున్నాడు. Let's say for example I am searching for 10005, effective start date as 30th, correct? Click on this one, actions, personal employment, O for manage person. మన క్లయింట్ ఏమడుతున్నాడు, ఈ పర్సన్ పేజ్లో నాకు ఎక్స్ట్రా 4 ఫీల్డ్స్ కావాలంటే ఆ 4 ఫీల్డ్స్ యాజ్ DFF. ఓకే, user cannot enter through manually, only the values will be populated. Okay, I want these 4 fields like manager, number, okay, country, states, something like they are expecting 4 field, correct? That's why we need to configure this 4 DFF fields in your application. Okay, next go for setup and maintenance. Right now your value sets will be ready. Next we need to configure this value sets attached to your descriptive flex fields. Manage descriptive search, manage descriptive flex fields. Select this manage descriptive flex fields task. Okay, in which page you want to require that? I want to require person page. Flexible code as per person DF, I think. Search. Person. I am configure this flex field as in person attributes. Why? Because of our client will be expecting this 4 fields will be visible in person page. Let's say for example if you want assignment page, we need to search as assignment. Assignment. Here you can go for assignment page. The client is asking for only person page. I am selecting as person. You can able to see here person attributes. Click that button. Click on edit button. Select person attributes column. Click on edit button. Okay. Click on manage context. Click on manage context. Oh, sorry, done. Here you can able to see here global segments. Here you need to add your segments. Okay, I am calling the format only. What is the name? I am giving something like format only. Code automatically will be generated. No need to give anything. Validation type as character. Here I am calling value set. What is the format only? Fusion percentage. I am calling format only value set. Here you can able to see default type what you want expect. If you want constant, if you want SQL. I am not selecting anything. Okay. Prompt. What is the visible in Fusion application UI? I am giving as a user information. Okay. I am giving as a prompt. Okay. This is configure of DFF. I am save and close. Next I am creating another column. I am giving as a country. Fusion underscore countries. Okay. Data type as character. I am calling as a independent value set. Why? Because of our countries will be stored in independent value sets. If you want to, by default you can select constant. Default value I am giving as India. Prompt is Fusion country. I am giving same thing. Prompt. Save and close. Next, dependent value sets. Fusion states. Data type character. I am calling the dependent value sets. Fusion dependent value set. Click on OK. If you want a default value, it's not come. Save and close. Final one is table value set. Fusion table something. Data type character. Fusion percentage. Okay. Here I am selecting as a name as fusion underscore manager something like. Okay. Save and close. Okay, once you can configure your DFF, okay, we're defining. After that we need to save and close. Next we need to deploy. We are not deploying these fields, not visible in our front end. Select this one. You can able to see here deploy flexibles. Click on deploy flexibles. Your flexibles will be deployment successfully. Okay. Once deployment successfully, log out, clear your history, again login, sign out. History. We need to clear your cache, clear browsing data. Or suppose if you are not clear browsing history data, you are not able to see these values in your person management screen. Voice రాలేదా? రాలేదా voice? Hello. 1 minute. The screen is not visible. Settings. Screen is not coming. 1 minute. I am log out and login. Please remember. Reload করে Are you able to see my screen?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. I am searching once deployment. You can clear your history. Next, you can go for person management. You can search any person. That value is visible or not. We need to find out. Okay, I am searching for person number as 10005. Any person. 30th. Search. Click on actions. Person and employment. Go for manage person. Why? Because of your configured in person page. Okay, click on edit. See here coming correct. User information, fusion country, fusion state, fusion manager. User country I am giving, user information you can give anything. This employee something. Country, for suppose if you are selecting country India, based upon the India the states will be coming. Only you can able to see Hyderabad and Bangalore. Let's say for example if you are selecting country as US, what will happen? Yes, the states will be coming New York and Dallas. For example, I am selecting as a UK. UK. You are attaching only one state. That state has BT something like. Coming. Yeah. Fusion manager. We are writing only 10 peoples where that values will be coming for all people left. See, that values is coming. I am selecting like that. Okay, are you understanding how will you create a value sets? How will you define descriptive flex fields where you can call this descriptive flex field in your person page. Let's say for example if you want assignment page where you can go per person or per assignment DFF based upon your requirement. The client is asking this field is too much length. We need to decrease. We need to personalizations. How will you personalization these values? Okay. We need to reduce this size. How will you reduce? Go for setup and maintenance. Setup and maintenance. Search for manage descriptive flex field. We need to decrease the size of particular page. Manage descriptive flex fields. Click on task. In which page? Person page. Click. Select your person attributes. Click on edit button. Select this one, edit. Save and close. Edit. Display size as I am giving as only 10. Okay. Save and close. Same thing states also. I am decreasing the size of size. Even 15. Save and close. Person number also. Display size as giving as 10. Save and close. Save and close. Next, we need to deploy. Deploy your flex field. Once deployment, log out and log in. Sometimes this page will not reflected at the time. We need to clear your browsing history. Otherwise, no need to require. I am log out. Again, I am login. Go for navigator. Search for any person. I am giving as 10005. Effective date as 30th. Search. select, go for actions, person and employment, select manage persons, click on edit button. Still this one is not reflected. Why? Because of we need to clear browse history. Okay, who can do that one? Why? Because of I am doing clear browsing history, automatically this go to meeting will be disconnected. Anyone who can do that. Okay, this is the how will you create a value sets. Okay, how will you call descriptive flex fields? If you want to document, 1 minute, I have a document. I will share to you. I will share. I am stopping the record.